For 7 decades, Betco has created value for our customers through the development of high-performing programs that help them win in the commercial cleaning industry. Our customers choose Betco to leverage our expertise in providing more powerful, reliable performance. We outperform the competition, not just because we say so, but because our products are tested and proven. Quality and consistency is a must-have. Betco provides solutions that you can feel confident in. Betco has the total bundle, from chemistry to powered equipment, offering facility solutions that solve any challenge. Innovation is at the core of who we are. The solutions we offer and the ways we deliver them differentiate us in the marketplace and allow us to provide value by bringing professional performance every day. Support, coverage, and expertise. From our knowledgeable sales and service teams to our expansive network of distribution, we have the people power to help support your growth. Our expertise goes beyond the product. We optimize solutions for better results by enhancing facilities with guaranteed outcomes. From demand generation to program support, Betco continues to lead the industry with our digital presence. My Betco is a web-based portal that puts the power of access and management for Betco's industry-leading digital resources directly in your hands. Betco U e-learning is the flagship feature of My Betco, allowing Betco customers to access educational courses across devices from anywhere. The future of clean goes beyond the product to provide 24/7 instant access to tools, pricing, SDS, and even customer support. Betco has a legacy of looking ahead every day. Founded in 1950, Betco continues to be professionally managed and family-owned. From the past and into the future, Betco will continue to innovate, invest, and improve. Recent acquisitions, innovations, and facility investments are examples of this commitment to continuous improvement. We are never satisfied with the status quo. We are always becoming better. Betco's 500,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing and distribution center, located in Northwest Ohio, sets a new standard in operational efficiency, quality control, and production capacity. Our expanding capabilities into sustainable solutions and fermentation are other examples of looking to the future of cleaning technologies by continuously investing in our facilities. Betco's commitments to product performance, to valued expertise, to the future of clean, and to looking ahead every day adds up to the greater whole of fulfilling our promise to our customers. We are Betco. Professional performance every day.